Hello learners. Welcome back to Lighthouse Alchemy, your guide to mastering ERP with clarity and confidence. In our previous video, we explored incoming QC and outgoing QC. Today, we'll discuss another important stage of quality management: production quality control, or production QC. This process helps organizations monitor and maintain quality while products are being manufactured. Section 1. What is production QC? Production QC is the process of inspecting and verifying product quality during manufacturing. Instead of waiting until production is completed, organizations perform quality checks at different stages of production to ensure that products meet the required specifications. The goal is simple: detect quality issues early and prevent defective products from moving to the next stage. Section 2. Why is production QC important? Imagine a manufacturing process where defects are discovered only after the final product is completed. This can result in rework, material wastage, production delays, increased costs, customer dissatisfaction. Production QC helps organizations identify and correct quality issues while production is still in progress. Section 3. How does production QC work? Let's understand the process step by step. Step 1. Production activity begins. Manufacturing starts according to the production plan or job order. Materials are processed and products move through different production stages. Step 2. Sample inspection. At predefined stages, samples are taken from the production process for quality inspection. These samples are tested to verify whether production is meeting the required standards. Step 3. Perform quality tests. Different types of quality tests can be performed, such as physical tests, chemical tests, visual inspections, depending on the product and industry requirements. Step 4. Record test results. The inspection results are recorded in the ERP system. The system maintains quality records against the production batch, lot, shift, or manufacturing process. Step 5. Verify quality status. The recorded results are compared against predefined quality standards. Based on the outcome, the material can be classified as pass or fail. This helps organizations take corrective action immediately whenever quality deviations are identified. Section 4. Benefits of production QC. Production QC provides several business benefits. It helps organizations maintain consistent product quality, detect defects early, reduce rework and wastage, improve production efficiency, maintain quality records for each production batch, support continuous quality improvement initiatives. Section 5. Production QC and quality analysis. Another advantage of production QC is that organizations can analyze quality trends over time. They can review batch-wise quality results, shift-wise quality performance, production unit performance, average quality trends. This helps management make better production and quality-related decisions. Section 6. Real-world example. Let's take a practical example. Suppose a company manufactures steel bars. During production, 1. Samples are collected from the production batch. 2. Physical and chemical tests are performed. 3. Results are recorded in the ERP system. 4. Quality standards are verified. 5. Any deviation is identified immediately. 6. Corrective action is taken before production continues. This helps ensure that only quality products move forward in the manufacturing process. Section 7. Summary and what's next. What is production QC? Why quality checks during manufacturing are important. Types of quality inspections. How production QC works. Benefits for manufacturing organizations. Production QC helps organizations build quality into the manufacturing process rather than checking it only at the beginning or end. If this video helped you understand production quality control, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Share your questions in the comments section. In our upcoming videos, we'll continue exploring more important quality control processes and understand how Lighthouse ERP helps organizations maintain quality at every stage of their operations. Until then, keep learning, keep growing, and let Lighthouse ERP be your partner in business excellence.